why is it important for the filmmaking process for you to have patience?
Because you can't make a film in one day. It took them however long to build whatever that phrase is, to build Rome, and whatever that phrase is they be using. Like, you really have to have patience because there's a whole storyboard. You have to create everything. You have to make sure that everybody, you have to have pre-production meetings. You have to make sure your crew and your cast, everybody is taken care of. So you can't just jump in and just, all right, let's do this. Like, that'd be crazy. So you have to go through a process, and then when you're done with that project, you got to go into the editing room, post production. You have to make sure that everything is color to audio, and audio is a big thing with films, definitely in the
Oh my
independent film world.
goodness.
Like, audio, you can have great quality, but your audio suck. The whole film is messed up now.